Welcome to the Waitukubuli National Trail. This video is part 1 of 2 in which I share what we brought on our 12-day jungle hike on the Caribbean island of Dominica. This was not our first thru-hike, but our first tropical hike. First we go through Jonathan's backpack, who is the more advanced hiker and after hiking thousands of miles knows what to bring and what not. In part 2, I, Susanne, the not so advanced hiker just yet, go through my kit and share what I probably should have left out. Enjoy and remember to subscribe for more adventure videos from the wild. We also made a film about this legendary hike, which you can find on my channel. Here we are on the Waitukubuli National Trail, and we thought it's a nice idea to share what we have brought with us. So what is in our hiking pack?
And we have actually been on the trail for 11 days now, so we have a big idea what we have been using and not using.
And not using, exactly.
Should I start?
Yeah, you start.
Okay, yeah. Alright, I have a backpack. It's a 58-liter Osprey, very used, but it works.
Ooh, that's deep.
Sleeping in a 2-person big Agnes tent has kept us dry and warm. And been sleeping on sleeping mat, inflatable, and this is the Thermarest, amazing inflatable pillow. A summer sleeping bag has been working just fine. For a little bit colder nights, I've been using sort of like pajamas, long johns, and a long sleeved sweater, one pair of underwear, and I've been hiking in my bathing shorts. And this one is my hiking shirt. It was so sweaty because we just stopped our hike for today, so it was a little bit wet. So I decided to take it off. Anyways, here's my shoes. Trail runners. I've used them quite a lot before the trail, so I knew what I was getting myself into. And here's my lineup of socks. I have 2 pairs of socks, and they're holding on pretty good. Slippers, after or in the morning or after the hike, can be very convenient. Headtorch, important. Really? Look at this. Toothbrush and actually a Tongscraper can be nice sometimes. Wallet. I made a mistake. It's only like almost 11 and I ordered a beer. A thing to put your waterproof thing for your cell phone. Protection for your eyes. A pair of shades and a hat. It's pretty good to have. And what else? Something that keeps you dry, and I decided just to take this one because that was the one I had, like a raincoat. And here is a bag of food, which we can go through later. Adding. Anything else?
I think that's it, no?
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, water, of course. I've had 1 or even 2 bottles of this size, but I only have 1 left now.
Sweet! Should I now share my happening?
Yeah.
I just keep the video rolling.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, so we have been hiking together and I've been a very lucky princess because Mister has been carrying the tent and the food.
Thank you.
So what have I been taking?
Pack up, it started to rain.
It starts to rain?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we're inside.
Yeah, that was fast tent pitching, right?
Yeah. But we already knew where we were gonna pitch the tent.
Yeah.
But
so
yeah,
we're good.
and as you can hear, it's very cozy.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps to prepare you for your next adventure. In the next video, I will share what's in my backpack and what I could have left out on this hike. And if you're curious what this jungle hike was like, check out the film 12 Days on Foot, which you can find on my channel. Subscribe for more tips and inspiration on cultivating a slow travel lifestyle in tune with nature.